Your entry door is one of the most important features of your home. It protects your space, enhances curb appeal, and plays a key role in overall comfort. In a place like Eagle, where homeowners experience a mix of hot summers, cold winters, wind, and occasional storms, choosing a weather-resistant entry door is essential. These doors are specifically designed to handle changing conditions while maintaining durability, efficiency, and security year-round. One of the primary benefits of weather-resistant entry doors is their ability to withstand temperature extremes. In Eagle, seasonal shifts can be significant, and older or poorly constructed doors may expand, contract, or warp over time. Modern weather-resistant doors are built with materials like fiberglass or steel that are engineered to remain stable despite these changes. This helps maintain a proper fit within the frame, ensuring consistent performance no matter the season. Insulation is another key feature that sets weather-resistant doors apart. These doors are typically designed with insulated cores that help reduce heat transfer. During colder months, they keep warm air inside, while in the summer, they help block heat from entering your home. This contributes to a more comfortable indoor environment and reduces the workload on your heating and cooling systems. For homeowners in Eagle, this means improved energy efficiency and potential savings on utility bills. Sealing plays a crucial role in weather resistance. High-quality entry doors are equipped with advanced weather stripping that creates a tight seal around the edges. This prevents drafts, moisture, and outdoor air from entering your home. In windy conditions, this tight seal also helps reduce air infiltration, keeping your home more stable and comfortable. Proper sealing is especially important in Eagle, where wind and fluctuating temperatures can impact indoor comfort. Moisture resistance is another important consideration. Rain, snow, and humidity can all affect the performance of your entry door. Weather-resistant doors are designed with protective finishes and materials that resist water damage. This helps prevent issues such as swelling, cracking, or rot, which can occur with less durable materials. By keeping moisture out, these doors also protect the surrounding frame and interior areas from potential damage. Durability is a major advantage of weather-resistant entry doors. Built to handle daily use as well as environmental stress, these doors maintain their strength and appearance over time. They resist fading from sun exposure and hold up well against wind and debris. This long-lasting performance makes them a smart investment for homeowners who want reliability without frequent maintenance or repairs. Security is another key benefit. Weather-resistant entry doors are often constructed with reinforced cores and strong locking systems that provide an added layer of protection. In addition to handling the elements, they help keep your home safe from unwanted entry. This combination of strength and security gives homeowners peace of mind. Another feature to consider is noise reduction. A well-built, properly sealed door can help block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. Whether it's wind, rain, or everyday outdoor activity, this added insulation contributes to a more peaceful living space. Aesthetic appeal is also an important factor. Weather-resistant doors come in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes, allowing you to choose an option that complements your home's design. In Eagle, where homes often reflect a blend of traditional and modern styles, these doors can enhance curb appeal while still delivering high performance. Proper installation is essential to maximizing all of these benefits. Even the best weather-resistant door won't perform effectively if it's not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a precise fit, proper sealing, and secure placement, allowing the door to function as intended in all weather conditions. Maintenance is typically minimal, which adds to the convenience of these doors. Regular cleaning and occasional checks of seals and hardware are usually enough to keep them in excellent condition. This low maintenance aspect makes them ideal for busy homeowners. In the end, weather-resistant entry doors are built to handle the unique conditions found in Eagle. From temperature changes and moisture to wind and daily wear, These doors provide reliable performance that enhances comfort, efficiency, and security. By upgrading to a weather-resistant entry door, homeowners can enjoy a more durable, protected, and comfortable home throughout the year.